Hey guys, it's Krossav here, and in today's video I'm going to be giving this BlackBerry phone right here, this Curve 9360, if I'm saying correctly. Yep, 9360. I'm going to be giving this thing a battery and pretty much testing out if this thing works. So yeah, as you see right here, if you're a returning viewer, you've now seen my new setup right here. I've cleaned up my entire desk right here because it was all dirty, and now I have a clean desk. So yeah, as you see, it pretty much just shows mostly my phone boxes and all that. So yeah, anyways, enough talking. Let's get on in today's video. As you see right here, this is the BlackBerry's battery itself. And I'm not showing you the front because it shows some personal information. So I'm going to be unboxing it. Actually, I'm going to be unboxing it like this, because I could just rip off all the stuff on here. So yeah. So I'll tell you a little bit of a backstory about the BlackBerry. So when I was in a different city for vacation, I went to two Targets. One I didn't find one I didn't find anything, and another one I found the BlackBerry, two flip phones, and an iPhone 5, which is iCloud locked and has a broken screen. But yeah, and this BlackBerry did not came with a back cover nor a battery. I'll get a back cover for it soon, but right now I don't have the money for it because I'm broke. But yeah, as you see right here, this is the BlackBerry's battery itself. This is an OEM one, so I'm hoping that this battery will work flawlessly with this device, because I did get a battery for another device, which was an HTC phone, but that had issues. So yeah, so far looks fairly used. It was probably used off of a broken BlackBerry device, possibly water damage, given that the fact that the bottom part has like a red icon here. But I'm pretty sure that won't affect anything about this phone. So yeah, anyways, putting it back on, be testing out if this battery will work. Okay, so far no life on the BlackBerry device. So I'm pretty sure this battery is dead. So I'll be back, y'all. I will get a charger for it and test out if it will charge or work. So yeah. Okay, I'm back. As you see okay guys, I'm back now. So you didn't have to wait for everything because of editing. So yeah, plugging this thing in. Micro USB is a pain to try to plug in. And there we go. It's showing up with the red dot up there. Not too sure if it will boot up or will show the same error without a battery or whatever. So yeah. And so far, oh, I'm not even pressing down the button. Okay. Let's just wait until it does something, because the battery might be dead. So, having some issues right here, because it does not seem like it's recognizing the battery. Plugging it out, okay, of course the cable had to do that on me, but I swear I got the right battery for this device. Here's future me editing this video, and I've realized since I was doing all this stupid troubleshooting stuff, I've realized that the battery was just really flat and the phone hasn't had a charge in a while. So pretty much I thought I was cooked and got scammed. But luckily that wasn't the case. So yeah, back onto the video. Weird. I won't recognize the battery, even if I try to push it down. Oh! It did something while I was, okay, it did that. So, let's see now. So, I'm gonna wait, let it charge for a little bit, and come back to it. So, yeah. So, later on, I've noticed right here, as you see by the different battery icon, it's now charging from what I see. So, I'm gonna let it sit here for a while. I'm pretty sure the battery was just flat. So, yeah, let's give it some juice and then start it up and all that. So, yeah. Okay, another update. Shortly after that, now it's showing. I didn't know this would illuminate, so that's pretty cool. And as you see, the BlackBerry is now working. So, yeah. So, there's a BlackBerry ID that I'm going to have to remove. As you see, it's pretty simple. You just sign out and wipe data. So, yeah. And typing this in will wipe all the data off the phone. As you see, it has some issues with the bottom part of the screen having a bunch of dead pixels. Which, I mean, like, this BlackBerry device is pretty worn out. But so far, it works pretty well. And right now, as you see right here, it's showing up this icon right here, which will reset the entire device. So, yeah. I guess let's do a time lapse of that. So as you see right here, so far I have a flashing yellow light, and it had a tune going on, but y'all couldn't hear because I didn't put on the regular recorder like earlier. So I have no idea what the yellow light is, so I'll tell y'all. It's basically just low on battery and needs to charge. So I let it charge for a while, and as you see, it booted up, did pretty well. And here's all the information stuff that I'm not gonna look at. Welcome to BlackBerry. You see? Knew everything. So pretty much it's showing us how to use the device itself. For a fairly beaten up device, this is pretty impressive, because I thought it was going to be just like a low powered flip phone, but it's not. And I guess we're just going to have to wait for it to load, I guess. So, and there we go. Set up. Select the feature you want to set up. Nothing right now. Actually, I have no idea what to do. Let's put. Okay, can I pass through? There we go. Okay, we're now on the default, we're on the default BlackBerry screen, as you see right here. And yeah. So, let's see. If we take this out right now, it is now off the charger. So I've let it charge for a while. And yeah. So anyways, if you enjoy this video, smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, for example, or unboxing videos and all that, then why not subscribe to my YouTube channel? But anyways, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.